It starts now, okay?
Okay.
No, I'm not going to be able to do this. I need to pull up somewhere.
Do we pull up?
I need to take my seatbelt off. Talking to the examiners, okay? They are not big and they are not bad. They are fair.
Yeah, just let it go. Keep your thing going. Why can't I do it? I
You don't need to do it.
I couldn't do this last time now.
Look, press the button in, there we go. Cool dude glasses on instead of my... Huh?
I don't want to set the vape off in my back pocket.
No, you don't. Right then, what are we going to do?
What's the mock test?
Mock test?
Yeah, because there's a bit of everything in there.
Yeah.
At least then.
Yeah. Okay, right then, we need to get to Bangor then, okay? Do you want a bit of tissue?
I'll choose this, yeah. It's more so your car's always hot when I walk in, yeah.
Well, the air conditioning's on.
And it sets my glasses off all the time. I need like anti-mist glasses or something in here.
So, cockpit drill. The things you need to do when you first get into the car. By the way, are we okay for taping?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Look at that.
Hi.
Say hello. Look at that.
Hi.
Say hello. Look at that. Say hello.
Bye.
Look at that. Say hello.
Bye.
Look at that. Say hello. What's that ticking noise? There we go.
Okay, because we're on a hill.
Yes.
There's no. I need to go into first. Do that. Get my foot on the brake ready. Find the biting point. Mirrors.
You need. Hang on. Before you go any further, do you need to find the biting point?
No, because the car rolls by itself.
Gravity. Yeah. Let gravity help you.
Mirror it. Mirror it. Mirror it. No, behind me. No, behind me. Yeah, just let it go. Keep your thing going. Why can't I do it? I
You don't need to do it.
I couldn't do this last time now.
Look, press the button in, there we go.
Then let go of that slowly.
Check over your right shoulder, that blind spot.
Again, yeah.
It's super duper. Whenever you're moving away from the left curb, check over your right shoulder, because there's an area there you can't see in the mirrors. Okay? It's called the blind spot. It starts now, okay?
Okay.
I'm the examiner. And if I'm the examiner, I need to put on my high vis. I'm not gonna be able to do this. I need to pull up somewhere.
Do we pull up?
I need to take my seatbelt off.
I'm gonna wait till we go around the corner just because it'd be idiotic to stop right on a corner here.
It would actually, yeah.
And I don't know how fast people come around this corner.
Yeah. Because I can't do a mock test without my high vis on. What does the high vis do?
Alerts that it's a mock test. Well, it's a test.
And it makes me feel important.
Right. I drove on so little sleep and managed drinks.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
But I've driven the best I've ever driven.
How did you sleep last night?
Really good.
Oh, good.
So what should we not do as good today?
We'll see. Now then. Talking to the examiners, okay? They are not big and they are not bad. They are fair.
Yeah.
It's their job to see if you're capable of driving on your own tomorrow without somebody telling you or helping you.
Yeah.
They're not trying to catch you out. They're not trying to trick you. They just want to see if you're safe and legal. It's as simple as that. At the beginning of the test, the examiner in the office will come out with their iPad. They will show you their iPad and they'll say, right then, is that you? Is that your address? Is that your signature? Is that your email address? They'll have a picture. They'll want to see your driving license, and they'll have a look like that, and then they'll want you with the tip of your finger to tick two boxes. One, that you've been in the UK for at least 185 days in the last 12 months, except for taxi, private hires, blah 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 blah, and the vehicle is fully insured for the test. Do you want your driving instructor to come out with you on test? Because I can sit in the back seat if you want. Yeah? I'd say 95% of people say no, they don't want me there, because they feel maybe there's an extra pair of eyes looking at them.
No, I need you there for the banter.
I'm not allowed to say anything.
Aww.
I can't say a word. I've even got to be careful when I cough. Do you remember Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, when somebody cheated and there was somebody in the audience coughing? I've got to be careful even with things like that.
Okay, we better not have you in the car then, half your fits of kickers.
I literally have to sit there like that, okay, staring down, okay? And I'm not allowed to make any noises whatsoever. And I even have to be careful of where and how I fart, because it could be giving you a signal of when to check your mirrors.
Oh.
So,
Well,
anyway.
I hope I've got a
What?
an examiner who's funny then.
Yeah, they're good. They're all good. To be honest with you, every single one of them. Right then. So then he's going to ask, or she's going to ask, would you like your instructor there at the end to listen to the result and the feedback? Please say yes for that.
Well, yeah.
Because when you come back into the driving test centre, I'll switch the engine off. I'll come and stand there. Just open the door for me, and I'll kneel down. And then the examiner will say things like, "Well, I'm pleased to tell you, on this occasion you've passed, or unfortunately you have not passed. Okay, chances are you will pass. Okay, because you've got an amazing driving instructor." Cool, that's it. Right then, so into the car, then they'll ask you one of the tell me questions. They could ask you to open the bonnet, things like, you know, can you explain to me how you check the oil in this car? Can you explain to me, my watch is telling me to stand up and stop being such a lazy sod. So can you tell me how you'd know if there was a problem with your ABS braking system?
Your brake wouldn't work, so you'd put your foot down and it wouldn't stay still.
It wouldn't stay still. There'd be a warning light on the dashboard, okay?
I need to do my show me tell me.
Yes, we'll go through that, but closer to the test. But I will be testing you, okay? Right then, so, very, 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 very important now, okay? Don't stress too much about the show me, tell me questions, okay? I find a lot of students, they'll get themselves worked up and stressed because they haven't learned all the questions, and you know, when they're driving, because the examiner will ask you one of the show me questions while you're out there as well. Things like, can you show me how you switch on the rear demister, can you switch on the dipped headlight, that kind of thing while you're driving. If you get them both wrong, it's only one minor, okay? Unless you're an awful driver, you'll still pass your test, okay? If you get one wrong and one right, it's still one minor. You've got to get them both correct in order to not get a minor. It's a minor, okay? The only time that's going to affect you is if you're an awful driver and you've got 14 points already. Yeah, 14 minors. And if you've got 14 minors, you're a shit driver, okay? You don't deserve a license. And the only other time, okay, if you imagine you're driving along now, okay, and the examiner says to you, when safe to do so, can you show me how you switch on the dipped headlights, please? And then you ease off the gas and you start looking for the control and thinking like that, and you start wandering over that way, or you start drifting over this way, then it's a problem, then it's a fail, okay? Because you've just done something dangerous, you've just done something silly. Yeah, just say, if you're nervous and your mind goes blank, just say, I'm sorry, I'm nervous, I've forgotten. Yeah, it's one minor, it's still a pass, okay?
It's not safe for me to do so right now.
Hey?
It's not safe for me to do so right now.
Yeah, that's good enough. Yeah, they'll understand, there's no big deal. Don't stress about it, okay? It's not worth getting worked up and failing for it.